Careernomics is a specialized platform for early career professionals, catering to both bachelor and master's students. Our country guides cover the most relevant destinations for top talent. You can navigate using the drop-down menu and the region icons, or simply by scrolling down to view all the countries. Looking at an individual country's profile, the Overview tab gives you a general background of the country, including how it ranks on indices like the HDI, GII, and Trust in Government. The Job Opportunities tab explores who is recruiting in the country overall, but also by region, by job area, and by industry, and in each case find out the top and trending employers. All the recruiting data on this page is based on the last 6 months. In the Working There tab, you'll learn about salaries, tax brackets, unemployment, and how to tailor your CV and cover letter to make a strong impression. Under Work Visa, we provide an overview of the immigration policies, followed by information on work permits and immigration requirements to help you find the best path. Our Culture section helps you quantify a country's culture using the Culture Factor Group's 6D Culture Compass model and compare it to the ones you are familiar with to maximize your cultural literacy. You can also gain insights into local customs and business practices. The Practical Life tab covers information on everyday life using the Legatum Prosperity Index, like healthcare, cost of living, safety, and security. The Economy tab gives you a snapshot of what the economy looks like, including various credit ratings and top trade relationships. Lastly, our Population tab helps you understand the impact of demographics through how the population is distributed, including age, languages, religion, life expectancy, and so on.